Now students, as we are coming to the concluding part, so we'll discuss the definitions of e-recruitment. As students, you have already heard the term E. E means electronic. So electronic recruitment of staff means it conveys the meaning that the recruitment of the staff will be done online or through electronic means. So this electronic means will require an access to internet. So this electronic recruitment means the recruitment of staff, personnel or employees will be done through internet or electronic means or through online means. So I hope the definition of e-recruitment is clear to all of you. Now we'll move to the advantages or the benefits of e-recruitment. Benefits of e-recruitment: that it is very efficient, that it is a very fast process, and its benefit is that it is the cost expenditure of per candidate giving the interview is low. So, and the merits or the plus point of e-recruitment, that it is very fast, very smooth, efficient working. And the limitation is that the demerits of e-recruitment, that there is the job seeker should have the computer or the basics necessities of giving interview, means that the job seeker should have the computer, internet service provider, etc. Then another demerit is that it involves this demerits of e-recruitment involves a amount of expenditure from the employer side or the organization side. The organization has to invest money in creating job websites and portals for interviewing and recruiting the candidate. Another demerit is that the interview does not have the element of a physical touch, means it lacks the physical touch. So it is the demerits is that the job seeker should have access to the internet service provider, and the job provider should also have access to internet and computer and other basic necessities of electronic means for conducting the recruitment. Then e-recruitment demerit is that it incurs expenditure cost, because the job provider or the employer or the organization needs to set up job portals and websites. And another demerit is that there is a lack of physical touch in this, and the employee who is giving the interview should have the means and should know how to access all these things, how to operate these e-means. So we have done e-recruitment. E-recruitment means the recruitment of staff through electronic means with the applications of using computers, laptops, and internet service providers, etc. And we have discussed the benefits, that it is very done smoothly, efficiently, and the cost expenditure for per unit, the per candidate becomes low. And demerits we have discussed, that it requires a computer for both job seeker and job provider as well as job seeker, and it is on the other hand expenditure too, because that is the job provider has to install or set up job portals and their websites, and it lacks the human physical touch. So that is, you have to listen to the audio clips, you have to watch the entire video carefully and attentively, and if you have the BST book of class 12, do refer it, and I hope the meaning will be very clear to you, 100% clear, and the conceptual clarity will be there. Even then also, if any sorts of doubts arises, any sorts of doubts or problems arises pertaining to this, feel free to ask me. I am saying it several times. Please proceed. Please feel free to ask me. There should be no sorts of hesitation among you, and I'll be there for you, definitely assisting you all.